how to easily fix Adobe Premiere Pro error code 0xc0000142. So if you want to easily fix Adobe Premiere Pro error code, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply search for registry editor. After that, click on it and then click on yes. Now, once you're in a registry editor, make sure that you are on your hkey_local_machine section. Once you click on it, you'll have software. You need to enlarge your software, and then you need to scroll down, and then you'll find Microsoft. Just go with Microsoft, go with the drop down. Under that, you need to scroll down and then select Windows NT. Once you go with Windows NT, which is under your Microsoft, you need to go with the current version, expand your current version. From the current version, you just need to simply scroll down again and go with image file execution options. Expand the image file execution options and then scroll down again, and you'll find an option of winword.exe. You need to right click on it and then go with delete. And it will ask you if you really want to delete it. You need to just click on yes. And once you've deleted it, just go back and then restart your device. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.